Choose paints and finishes that stand up to moisture and cleaning without sacrificing appearance. Start with a moisture-resistant primer applied to clean, dry surfaces to block stains and improve adhesion. Use a roller with a short nap for smooth drywall and a nylon brush for corners to ensure full coverage and avoid missed spots. Pick a paint with a satin or semi-gloss finish because those levels of sheen shed water, resist abrasion from cleaning, and are easier to wipe without leaving streaks. Apply 2 full coats and allow recommended dry times between coats to build a durable film. Opt for mildew-resistant paints and additives when ventilation is limited, and follow manufacturer guidance on maximum relative humidity during application to avoid poor film formation. For shower surrounds and high splash zones, consider rigid waterproof wall panels or cement board tiled with a proper waterproofing membrane because these systems provide a mechanical barrier that paint alone cannot match. When painting over existing glossy surfaces or previously painted bathrooms, sand lightly to degloss and use a bonding primer to prevent peeling and flashing. Always seal penetrations around fixtures with a high-quality elastomeric caulk and maintain a 30-minute minimum dry time for caulks before paint touch-ups. 3 common mistakes are choosing flat paint, skipping primer, and underestimating ventilation. Flat paint soaks up moisture and stains and is hard to clean, so choose satin or semi-gloss instead. Skipping primer leads to poor adhesion and peeling, so use a moisture-resistant primer after cleaning and scuff sanding. Ignoring ventilation allows persistent humidity that fosters mildew, so install or repair an exhaust fan and run it during and after showers until the room dries. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners compare finish options, find local contractors who do bathroom remodels, and read homeowner reviews to inform decisions. We also help contractors find projects and connect with potential clients, and we host a discussion community where tradespeople and homeowners exchange tips and product experiences.